Now the Sora 70 is really a powerhouse of a machine. It has a 10,000 mAh battery inside of it, which means 5 hours of continuous floor cleaning in eco mode, or 7 hours of surface skimming, or just do everything, floors, walls, waterline, surface cleaning in one go for pools up to around 3,200 square feet. So it really can do it all with the power that's built inside of here. It also has a 6,800 gallons per hour capacity, so it is really strong and powerful when it's sucking debris and stuff up inside of it. It's going to be able to get the leaves on the bottom of your pool, the worms, which every time it rains I get worms on the bottom of my pool, disgusting. This is able to get all that stuff without any problem at all. And besides that, it has a Hydrobalance system built into it, which means that while it's using that strong power and that strong suction, it isn't affecting how well it climbs walls or Baja shelves or anything like that. It can do all of that and balance it all out without any issues at all, which is really awesome. And inside of here is a 6-liter capacity filter basket, so it's plenty big enough to hold everything while it's cleaning your pool. And the basket itself has a 150 micron filter system built into it that's going to grab all the sand, the bugs, the leaves, and that kind of stuff. But what's really cool is Beatbot offers an optional 3 micron filter that you can add onto it, which means that while it's cleaning your pool and picking up debris, it'll also be filtering all the fine debris, algae, spores, pollen, things like that out of your water, which is really awesome that they have that additional accessory that you can get to even make it more powerful.